Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Mean value theorem questions get easy fast when you check where the graph actually qualifies, then match that interval to the average slope. This is a mean value theorem setup, so we need an interval where the function is continuous on the closed interval and differentiable on the open interval, plain and simple. Now test the choices from the graph. Some intervals fail because there's a corner, break, or non-differentiable point somewhere inside, so MVT cannot guarantee a matching tangent slope there. The interval from 4 to 6 is the one that stays smooth enough, so a value C is guaranteed there, which makes option B correct. Well done. Option B. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rushing. Trust what is given and check the theorem's conditions before choosing.